Welcome back. So we've done 2 or 3 macros, and we've seen how to create a macro to open, report, close a form, and a macro that works when you want to filter data based on the input field here. Okay, now I want us to advance on this and create a main form or a startup form that will have buttons that will open all these things here. Now, the first thing we need to do is we go to create here and simply let us do a blank form. So here we are. So we have a blank form here. Now on this form, what we'll do is to make it easy, we will just add a few buttons here. So I'll come here and draw my button in here, drop my button and just cancel this. So this button, I want to call it, I want it to open this form here, customers form. So I'll just call this customer. Okay, simply you can say add new customer, something like that. Now let us increase the size so that we see add new customer. Now I'll just copy this and paste it a few times. Okay, it's not working. So let me go to design view. That's what we have. So I'll increase this form here. So I'll copy this, click on it, do Control C, Control V. That's what we have. So put it down here. And this one we want it to display gender. So I can just call this one gender. I just want it to open this genders form here, gender. And I'll paste another one here. So Control V. So already in the memory, always remember that. Let us move this one down here. And this one I want it to open the orders form here. So I'll say just a new order. Then the last one here, I want this one to, and I want it to new product or add product. Add product. There we are. So we have 3 buttons here. Now what I'll do is I'll copy these ones. Copy these ones here and paste them and bring them this side. So simply this one I want it to generate customer report. Customer report. Now this one I'll just leave it gender. So this one I'll generate orders. Orders list. And this one I'll generate list of products. So it will show us our products that we have in our database. And this tells me that we don't have the reports order, which is okay. Then I'll do one more last button here. I'll just press it at the bottom here. And I'll call this for close. To close, or let me call it exit. So this will exit the system. So let's come to add new customer here and simply come to build event here, macro builder. And what we want here is to open a form. And so which form do we want to open here? What we want is the customer's form. So we are done with that. Save and close it. Come to gender here. So build event, macros, and again here, open form, enter, and the form we want here is our gender form. Perfect. Save that and close. And the last one we want is new order here. So build macro, and again open form, enter. The form we want here is orders. There, yeah. And save that and close. And the last one you want here is products, so click on it. Macro build, again, open form, and the form you want here is products. Perfect. Save that and close. Now let's generate the reports here. The same thing, so right click, build event, macro builder, and what you want here now is to open report. Open or report. And the report we want here is the customer's report. Save that, close. Gender here, the same thing. Macro, open, and report, enter. The report we want here is gender's report, and save that and close. Orders list here, so again, macros, open, and report, and what we want here is the orders report. Save that, close. Now since we don't have the products here, I'll just change this to generate IDs. Generate customer ID, so that we do a report for the ID. So build here, macro, and come back here and say open reports, and what we want here is to open the IDs. There we are. Save that, close. Now we have one button here, this button here. Now this button exit, I want when you click on it, it closes the entire database program. So right click, build, then macro builder. Here we want to exit. I want to close. So we want to close the entire database, or we want to close the application. So let me see which option that we have here. Okay, so we close the database. As simple as that. Then save that and close. Now save this form, and I'll call this the main form. Save it. There we are. So form view, and this is the form that you want. Now first thing, let us detach it from the access window. So the property sheet here. So what we need here is the form. So scroll on the form, and the pop-up here we want it to be yes. The model here we want it to be yes. Perfect. Save this. Now view it. It will pop up. This is what we have, our simple main form. Now if I click on add new customer, perfect. See what happens? I get the customer's form. Close that. Gender, get a nice gender form here. New order, I get my form to capture the order details. Add product, a nice form here to capture my product details. If I click on generate the customer report, there are my customers. Perfect. If I do orders list, I get the orders. So the problem is at the back because we didn't detach it, but it's working. And if I do generate customer ID, again, there is my customer ID. And again, they are at the back because we did not pop them out. Perfect. Now, remember this button. If I click on this exit button, it's supposed to close the entire database. So let's try and see. Exit. Perfect. See what happened? So it has closed the program for me now, and we are done with that. So I hope you've understood now. You're okay to work with macros, and everything is okay. So you can handle macros now. You can handle tables. You can handle queries. You can handle forms and reports. So thank you for watching.